I just wanted to bring you up to speed on a modification that we made to the backlog by machine screen that you may have already watched on the daily efficiency results of completed processes video. The only thing that we added here was an indicator for the bottleneck processes on all of the machine screen. So you can clearly see here, just like you did in the other video, or maybe you haven't watched that one yet, these are all of our machines that we've put in on the system setup page. And basically what it's doing is it shows us our total percentage of backlog. It's basically just highlighting those processes with the most backlog in red so that they stand out to you. And then at the same time, just as in the other video, you can just print this page on a daily basis because we have the date here, and then you'll have a catalog that you can kind of like page through every week, month, quarter, and year to see which machines you have historically are your bottleneck processes. And then from there you can go to the job history screen and look at all part numbers that run through your highest bottleneck process machine number. And then that will give you the information on which part numbers and which customers are affected the most by the bottlenecks in your system. And at the same time, we're going to be able to look at how many hours of machine time are scheduled for every machine in our plant on each work day. In this particular case, on 5/17, we're showing backlog on the do-all saw number 1 of 8.67 hours. It is our backlog bottleneck process, and we show that we're running 8.67 hours today, which is basically all of our backlog. And so you can kind of just look down through the list and see which jobs have backlog that you're not working on. In this example would be the do-all saw number 2 has 3.6 hours backlog, but we're not running that machine today, as well as our 110-ton stamping press machine number 8. It has 7.25 hours, but we're not scheduled to run that today. So basically what it's going to do is it's going to give you an indication of your backlog and how your plant is being scheduled to deal with that backlog on a daily basis.